With shining eyes you'd run across the sand at Portobello, and the light played on the summer waves on Portobello sand. You'd work for hours building forts from sand at Portobello, and you'd climb the wall and play dead man falls on Portobello sand. Your letter says you're heading for the burning sand of Basra, and you'll join the new battalion there on Basra's burning sands. From Portobello the land stretches out